Good morning, good people. How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. If my voice is gone, that's because it's gone. We got allergies and it's early. I didn't sleep well last night. Let's get right into it. What's going on in these markets this morning in the pre-markets? Come on in and say hello. All right, I see you guys there. All right. Hey, let's make this one short and get you guys off to work. All right. So let's see what's going on here. All righty. Good morning, good people. Good morning, good people. And I do mean good people. All right. So we got Tesla this morning is cooling off just a tad. All right. Tesla's cooling off just a tad after surging almost 22% on great news, all right, on great earnings, all right. They just did their thing, okay. I'm not ignoring you guys. I will come back and say good morning to all of you good people, okay. All right, so we're just gonna get you guys. Some of you guys got to get right to work. We just want to prepare you for the day and then have a small discussion, right? That's what we want to do. All right, let's get that going. All right, good morning. Hey, good morning. All right, so let's go back. We got Tesla cooling off a bit, only down 1.23%. That's not much after a 22% surge, all right? I'm going to talk about that. That's going to be the topic of my discussion this morning, all right? And so what else do we have? All right, so let's just look at what's going on with the markets and the pre-markets, right? The NASDAQ is up 84 points. S&P is up 18 points, and the Dow is up 99 points. The question is, have we bottomed? Have we bottomed out for October before November? Now, there's a lot of things political that's going on right now. We got a lot of October surprises. You got both parties throwing everything they can, just hoping that something will stick. And they're going to do anything they can to win, right? They're going to make themselves look good and make the others look bad. And it is playing in our politics, and it trickles down to the stock market. At the time of filming this, let's go back. Crypto for the day, it's mostly flat, okay? Bitcoin is at around 68, all right? And we did Tesla already. So let's look at NVIDIA. NVDA. NVIDIA has been another one that has been killing it. NVIDIA is a little up this morning in the pre-markets as we are pushing further north, all right? Somebody said Palantir pushing. I'm telling you guys, Palantir, P-O-T-R. I have a bunch of Palantir, okay? Look at this, good people. Palantir is still pushing. It's still pushing. Look at that. 2.28% on yesterday and another 60% on. So you can just call that 3% over the last 2 days Palantir has. And if you look at Palantir over the week, look at it over the month, 17%. When people were saying, oh, it's at the top, it's at the top. Well, it's up another 17% for the month. And year to date, Palantir is up 162%. All right. And that's one of the things I want to talk about. There are some of you guys that are just stuck on older stuff, just like, the auto industry, and financials. Those are fine. But I just tell you right now, they don't move. We'll get to that in a minute. All right. So that's what's happening with the markets this morning. Let me see what else is going on. Let me put in here market news today. Hey, how you guys doing? I see you. He really buys the Qs on Vanguard. Don't understand your question. All right, let's look at the news. 5 things to know. Stock market today, U.S. futures inch up. Treasury yields. Oh, yeah, the treasury yields are coming down. That's one of the things that's happening this morning. The treasury yields were surging high. Usually when the treasury yields are high, the stock market is down and vice versa, though we do go through periods where both are up. All right. And we've been having that with the treasury yields here recently. And now the treasury yields are all cooling off. All right. So that's what we want to see. It's just like the dollar. If the dollar is up, stock is down and vice versa. And so now that the dollar is going down, the stock market is going up. For those of us that have equities, we like that. All right. What did you say here about Palantir? Palantir almost looking like a cup and handle this week. Yeah. You know, Palantir is one of the ones, ticker symbol PLTR, good people, that I have long positions in Palantir. I'm not selling. I don't care what happens. If it comes down, I'm going to buy more. I believe Palantir, I've been saying this since Palantir was in the teens, that Palantir will be $100 stock. And we keep inching higher. We're almost halfway there now, right? And do you wait until it happens or do you get in now? That's what I wanted to say to you guys. And before I take a few questions, because I'm going to keep this one really short, I just wanted to get you guys off to work. I do have to talk about Stock Up You. It will be the top link below. Learn and earn. Invest, learn, test, earn. All right. Invest in yourself. Test what you learn. All right. Invest in yourself. Learn what you have invested in. Test it without putting money at risk and then earn. Okay. And then we got crypto in there too. A whole crypto class. I'm going to talk about Moomoo at the end. All right. I'm going to take a few questions and I believe we got everything we needed to. We got, oh yeah, let's look at MicroStrategy. Shall we? Shalleth we? Let's look at MicroStrategy. Now, if you didn't see my play yesterday, if you didn't see the video yesterday, I'm going to leave it in this box here. I urge everyone to look at it. MSTR. Okay, let's look at MicroStrategy. We can see that MicroStrategy is up again about a point in the pre-markets. Okay, you see here 0.09. But now look at the 5-day. It's up 19%. It lags and follows Bitcoin, good people. For those of you that is, don't believe in crypto, blah, 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 there's a way to get your toes wet, right? And just invest in MicroStrategy, which is a huge holder of Bitcoin, but it's publicly traded, okay? And so that's what I wanted to talk about. But then let's look at this. See here, MSTR at the top here. We're going to change that R to an X. All right. And I do know that there's double leverage ones. I like this one. It's just less risky to me. All right. So this is 1.75 long. And as you can see, it's up 1.75 more than MicroStrategy. Okay. But look at it for the week. Look at that. 33%. You see? And so if you don't know what I'm talking about, why I'm bringing that up, you need to watch tomorrow's video. So here's what I want to say about MicroStrategy. Yes, smash that like button. When is a good time to buy MicroStrategy? I want you to watch yesterday's video. That explains it all. All right. Because sometimes if MicroStrategy lags Bitcoin, so let's say Bitcoin jumps up 5% and MicroStrategy hasn't moved up yet, that's when you want to go and buy that. All right. That is going up. And if you are doing options, you can do a call on a leverage play and then buy it on the way up, and vice versa. If there's a lag, that's a clear sign. It's a gift. It's kind of an easy trade for me. Somebody asked for DJT. All right. DJT. You guys know I cashed out and took my profit, but I'm going to look at it. But I can just tell you right now, the closer the race gets, this DJT is going to actually ratchet up right now in this time frame. It's still a meme stock to me at the end of the day. At some time, it's going to fall within the next 2 quarters, I believe. Now, that doesn't make it right, but I will tell you that you can make money doing options. As you guys see, I do calls, meaning I think it's going to go up, and I also do puts. So we can see right now that Trump DJT is up 1.75, but for the week, we are up 19%, okay? And this is, you got to be careful because I believe this is a buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal. We got to see what's going to happen after that. SoFi, man, my SoFi stock is killing it. But I'm long, okay? I am long, all right? There is our cult leader. No, I ain't no cult leader, man. Don't use the word cult with me. No, I'm not a cult leader. No, bruh. MicroStrategy, sir. Wish I didn't sell early. Well, you know, hindsight is 2020. You just don't know, okay? If Bitcoin crashes over the weekend, or it has a flash crash, or cools off like 5%, MicroStrategy is going to crash down. I don't hold MicroStrategy options over the weekend because you never know what's going to happen. I don't. I take my profits and I just grab my money and just get back in the next day. Okay. All right, good people. Let's just see here. What would happen to DJT if Elon is behind it? You know, that would be a game changer. I believe that would be a game changer if he was behind it. I do believe it is. You made 600. Great, man. Great. That's what we're here for. We're here to just do what the big boys are doing. All right. They're doing it. And they got us down here fighting each other where they're making money. All right. I'm going to roll up to the top and see if I see a question. Hey, that's right. In the pre-markets, just want to get you guys off to work. Hey, what's up? Good morning. I'm rolling up because it's unfair for the ones in the front. Good morning. Let's see here. Grand Rising, Kings and Queens. I love that. Grand Rising. Yep, all good. He got BTC at a better price. Yep. Good morning. Well, thank you. All right. What else? Okay, we're not going to stay on one stock. We're going to keep it going. Are you still holding the VIX? I am still holding the VIX. I haven't sold the VIX because I believe that there's time for the VIX to spike. The closer it gets, the tighter this race is. All right. That's what I believe. You know, it could be a lottery play. It's a little down right now. But I'm still going to hold it. There could be an October surprise. All right. But remember, if you're holding a VIX or anything else, you should have a stop loss. Okay. Have a stop loss. All right. All right, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. But before I leave it right there, I just want to show you guys that someone asked about this on yesterday. Okay. We want to go back to Moomoo. All right. Let's do this. That's not it. It's not showing. How come it's not showing? I was going to show you guys Moomoo, but it ain't showing. I wonder why. It won't show. Do I have the wrong one? There we go. All right. So someone asked, Larry, could you go over that options really quick? I'm going to take 30 seconds. If you have the Moomoo app, to the bottom, go to markets. And then at the top, go to options. You got options and you got stocks. You got the tools here. Then you just go down. People say, well, how do you find some of these plays? Go down to unusual activity. You can see, now if you arrow over, you can see which ones have unusual activity, spiking high or whatever. You see what I'm saying? And it shows you the indices, the SPY, all right? Top ODT options by volume, so that's good. You got the SPY here, you got Tesla here, so you can see where the volume is, and sometimes you could see upcoming events, covered calls for those of you that's into that. All kind of tools here with Moomoo, and then of course you still have the promo. There's a few more days left, so let's get those deposits in to get 8.1 on your uninvested money, which speaks more to me personally, and you can get up to 20 free stock by these deposit amounts. Now myself, I have multiple brokers. I got 7. I'm trying to get that down to 6 and then 5. All right, good people. Hey, what kind of coffee are you drinking this morning? All right. Hey, I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Make sure you check out the links below. Have a blessed day. I'll see you later on this afternoon. Live, learn, laugh, and love. The love part is hard, y'all. It's real hard, but it's really simple. The very people that you're talking about are the people you're supposed to be loving. All right? All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.